like to spend a few moments and introduce you to Harmonic Mechanism for the Mind, number 9. This one's going to be about melodic sequence. I think this is a really important topic to dive deep into and let it develop your intuition and guide your ears and give you material, say starting from a simple phrase, how do we expand it out throughout the key and find all of its cousins and neighbors that might be equally useful for us in our vocabulary and in, say, a piece that we're writing or something along those lines. So we're going to start here. Again, we're in the key of no sharps, no flats, as we have been thus far throughout this series. So we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4-note phrase. We're going to start on the 4th string somewhere, go up a 3rd onto the 3rd string, up another 3rd, and come down a step. So if you think of it that way, that's the line, that's the shape of the line, is low, middle, high, and then another kind of middle. Now in this case, it actually outlines G7 to C. You hear that kind of G7 sound to C. But we're less concerned about what it outlines at this point. We just want to find the cousins. So say we play that phrase spontaneously. It would be great if in our practice we could then say, well, if we move this G down to the next note below in the scale, which would be F, we're going to have a similar contour. Up a 3rd, and down a step. In this case, a half step. By the way, if you're interested, my picking on all of this is down, down, up. Yes. Down, down, up, down. Yes. So let's call frets 3, 2, 5, 4. Here's our original 5, 4, 7, 5. And I hope that melodically you can hear how these things are outgrowths one of another. So here's our next one above. We're going to start on the 4th string, 7th fret, up a 3rd, and down a step. So we widen out into this pattern, 7, 5, 9, 7. If you're familiar with 3-note per string scales, this would be a familiar shape for you. Now I hope you can hear the next one. Boo-da-dee-doo, boo-da-dee-doo. 9, 7, 10, 9. B, D, F, E. Hope you can hear that one. 10, 9, that's up a 3rd, up another 3rd to 12, and down a step to the 10th fret F. C, E, G, F. Sounds like C, triad, F. When I hear that F, it sounds like G7 to me. And there's our opening phrase, G to C. How about the next one? Boo-da-dee-doo. Hope you can hear those. 12, 10, 14, 12. If you can't hear them, you'd want to work on being able to sing phrases and maybe work on pitch recognition along one string. Perhaps you could hear that one. Do, 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 da, la, da, that way. You want to be able to anticipate before your finger lands on it and you pick it, what it's going to sound like. We'll do one more. For those of you with a cutaway, 14, 12, 16, 14. So E, up a third to G, up a third to B, and down to A. So a different flavor. Sounds like A minor. So I hope this might be something that can add to your playing, maybe some inspiration, maybe connect a few things and make some light bulbs go on. That's always my hope. I hope this finds you doing very well in your music and really enjoying the journey. And I wish you, as always, a very, very good day.